Hello there, this is Music Man 0150, also known as Gary, and yes, I am back now with another video to show you, and this is actually an update of the DVD VCR Combo Unit by Lite-On. And I wanted to give you an update on it because I'm sure a lot of you are wondering exactly what the results were with the outcome of the player itself. Well, believe it or not, that this is the player right here that you're looking at right now. This is the player that we were troubleshooting a few weeks ago. I just happened to move it from the entertainment center over to this location. And what I found out is that the power supply board itself was bad. There was something wrong in the circuitry because I'll tell you what I did. I did a little experiment with that particular board just to see if it would come back to life. And so what I did, knowing that when it was cold it would work, and when it wasn't cold, it wouldn't work. So what I did is I took the board out of this unit completely, took the board completely out, and I put it in the freezer. And then I had it in the freezer for about maybe 10-15 minutes, to kind of chill the components, just to see if whatever was causing the the problem to reoccur, I would be able to determine whether it was a thermal problem or something else causing the problem. Well, after about an hour, making sure that the board wasn't too cold, I reconnected it back into this unit, and it still didn't come on. So I figured either the frigid cold either finally gave out the specific part or parts that were causing the problem, or the part just went out on its own, before the cold spell. Because the last time that the original power board was in this unit, it was working, and I went to put in a DVD or take one out. I can't remember now if I took it out or put it in. But when I did that, the power just went completely out again. It just totally went out. So, needless to say, I thought, you know what? I don't know whether that's going to be worth fixing. Then I had the brilliant idea of taking the other unit that had the good power supply in it and swapping the boards. So that's exactly what I did. I swapped the power supply boards, between the two units. So now the power board from the other unit is in this one. And this is the one that had the working DVD drive. You can see I have it recording right now. And I've been doing a lot of test recordings with it lately, just to make sure that it is still fully functional. And you can see that it is running very nicely. In fact, I did a test copy, because you can copy video to DVD, VHS to DVD, that is, with this unit. And I did a test copy of that, and it worked just as well. It worked perfectly. So, now I have a working VCR DVD Combo Unit by Lite-On. And let me show you where the other unit is. I have it here in the storage room. Here's the other unit that I took the good power board out of. So now this unit doesn't work at all. This one is completely disabled. Now, the only reason I'm hanging on to this unit now is because the VCR section is still good. The VCR part still works. The DVD, as I said, plays, but it doesn't record. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to keep this unit for parts, and if the VCR part on that other one goes out, at least I got a backup VCR section that I can insert and keep that unit running even longer. So that's now the disabled unit. And in here, let's see if I could find it. I think it's in here. Yeah, this is the board. This is the exact board from the player that is now working, that wasn't working. So this is the malfunctional board, and you can see there's a lot of components on there. So what I'm going to just end up doing is recycling this board, because it's not worth, it's not worth trying to troubleshoot it. And eventually that other DVD player is probably going to go too, but not yet, because I'll need a backup for the VCR section. And I'll tell you what, those Lite-On combo units, they are so easy to work with. They're really easy to work with. All you have to do is just take out the screws that hold the boards in, and you can swap them real easy. So there's a little update of the DVD combo unit that probably a lot of you were wondering about. And so with that, I gotta end this video because my SD card is now almost full. So once I clear the cards, get some of these files uploaded, then I'll have more room to make more videos. So until then, everyone have a safe weekend and happy Easter to everyone, in case I don't get back before then. And keep watching for more videos and leave comments. Be glad to hear from you. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back with you real soon.